Alright, this is the car. Looking good. It's got those 5-star rims on it. Shadows in the way. GTP. Clean body. It does have that little rust right there. A little bit of rust on the front quarter. Do a little walk around. I did get hit in the side. Does come with another door. It's really not that bad. It did crinkle a little bit. Sorry taking the stripes off, as you can see. I'll lean this up against something. Show you a little cold start. See if I can get this movement there. Does start up just fine every time. Does have that little bit of rust right there in the rocker. Pretty clean interior. Drop the steering wheel down for you. No check engine lights, nothing out the ordinary. Does run pretty cold because it does have the cold air intake. Has the informant screen. Boost gauge. Did an oil change probably about a month ago. Average fuel economy 16.7, not the best, but you know, does have a little aftermarket radio. Do have the front face. It's right here. Popped off a little bit ago. So there you go. Nothing too fancy. Cup holder. Stuff in there. Back seat's good. Got some stuff in the back. Pop the hood for you. I do usually run it without the engine cover on because I did hear that the engine cover can make them overheat. Pretty clean though. Runs good. Never really had any issues with it. Cold air intake. I did stick new supercharger oil in it as well, so that's good. Regular maintenance. Never had any engine problems. It runs really good. It's pretty fast too. Brand new tires on the back. You are going to need fronts eventually. That's been on my to-do list, but honestly if I sell it, I'm not going to get tires for it. Does have the heads-up display. Worked the first day I got it. Stopped working after that. It did cut in the other day though, so it might just be a wiring issue somewhere. No sunroof. Just got, you know, the double sunglass holder, which I don't use. It does have another car charger port right there. Has another one down there that I use to charge my phone and shit. And then it has one in the ashtray, which actually has a cigarette lighter. Dual climate control. Passenger driver. AC works. Solid rear strut towers. It's honestly a lot of car for $2,000. So beat, you know, Camaros and shit. I've beaten a Paul SS. I've beat a Mercedes. That's about it though. You know, let me know if you have any more questions.